magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. And we will be talking about a very, very special topic now. So special because it's so very close to my heart. No? It's an actual experience. No? So gusto ko lang po i-share sa inyo because this is a principle. No? This is a principle na probably pag lahat po tayo naiintindihan natin. Believe me, walang imposible hindi tayo magiging successful sa ginagawa natin. Imposible na may mga taong madi-discourage. Imposibleng may mga taong hihinto. Alright, so I'm sure you're already getting it, no? You're already getting a hint. Okay, the topic for this session is failure is not the opposite of success, but failure is an integral part of success. Isang napakahalagang parte ng tagumpay ang failure o ang pagkabigo. Okay, so, wow! Ulitin ko po. Ang pagkabigo o ang failure ay hindi kabaligtaran ng tagumpay. Ang pagkabigo o failure ay parte, napakahalagang parte ng pagiging matagumpay. Alright, so wow! Wow talaga. When I learned about this principle, nagulat po ako. Talagang isang napakalaking nga. Alright, because I used to live a life of failure. Okay, so kaya sinasabi ko this is a very important topic for me because this is my life. I lived a life of failure. Minemorize ko po ano ang ibig sabihin ng failure. Alright, mula sa bata habang lumalaki. Most of the things I remember is failure. Alright, so mula sa binato ko ng teacher ko ng eraser, hindi ko na lang sasabihin. But I know, wala na rin siya. No, pumanaw na po siya. Yung mga classmates ko nanonood dito. Ewan ko kung natandaan niyo yun. So, and from then on, nagkaroon ng negatibong epekto sa akin. Yung subject na yun. Alright, from then, hanggang sa mga relationships, I started having relationships at an early age. Failure after failure after failure from my work to work. Alright, may mga success ako na nararanasan, pero may mga failures din. And every time I'm beginning to experience failure, my reaction is, or my default is to stay away. Alright, I'm sure ganun din yung nararamdaman mo o naisip mo. If you're in front of failure, ang initial reaction mo ay, ayoko nito, palpak to, hindi pwede yan. Alright? So, it took time for me to understand. As a matter of fact, ngayon ko pa lang napagdugtong-dugtong yung puzzle, nasabi ko, because, living a life of failure na lagi akong takot. Every time I see a hint of failure, I slip away, tinatakasan ko, tinatakbuhan ko. Alright? Pero nung na-realize ko, at natutunan ko yung prinsipyo na yun of failure is an important part of success, sabi ko, that's why, when the time came na naintindihan ko na po yan, and I started embracing failure, alright? Dun ko po rin naintindihan kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng success. Alright, so lahat po pala tayo, if we want to be successful, we have to receive failure. Alright, so wag po tayong tatakbo. Alright, so especially in this kind of industry, alam niyo naman po, we're into network marketing. Wherein every time you try something, parang ang initial na mangyayari is, of course, sa simula mo, it looks promising. Then when you start going out of the house, start making those calls, start emailing them, chatting them, then hindi naman sila mag-respond. Alright, then you immediately feel, failure na naman ako. Ano ba tong klaseng buhay na to? Ano ba tong mga pinapasukan ko? Puro failure. Then what do? You look for another one. Ito na siguro. Then sige, excited ka, invest your money, recruit people, then failure na naman. Then ito na siguro. Lipat na naman sa Katolik. Alright? Pero hindi natin naintindihan. If we continue walking that way, kung saan man tayo dinala ng Diyos, believe me, it's a gift. Alright? Because He wants us to be successful. And initially, ang unang ibibigay sa atin is failure. Alright? Kaya nga po na in the past few years, there was that quote na nabuo sa isip ko na because I'm already being introduced to this, medyo na iintindihan ko na mukhang ito yung daan na. Alright? I have this quote na success, no? The road to success, merong big wall, okay? Or a door, probably a door na nakasulat sa door na yon, failure. Alright? So hanap ka ng hanap. Gusto ko maging successful. Then you see this door. May ito dito. Nakasulat. Failure. Ito. Ayoko dito. Saan ba yung success? Saan ba yung success? Then we keep looking for that success, but we cannot find it. Why? Because sa totoo lang po, yung success na hinahanap natin, may pinto. At nakasulat sa pinto, failure. Years ago, pumasok na po sa isip ko yung principle na yan. So siguro, sabi ko, oo nga. Then, as I go along, as I mature in this industry, as I mature in what I'm doing as a life coach, as a success coach, doon ko na-realize. Totoo siya. Then, I started studying the lives of the successful people, and believe it or not, all of them, or most of them, if not all, they failed a lot. Failed. Then from there, nabuo sila. And then they became successful. Alright? Kung hindi po sa mga tao na nandito ngayon sa generation natin, you can even look back and read the book of life. If you know the book of life, the Bible, basahin niyo po. How the men of God kept on failing, and God kept saving them, and God became their strength, not their own strength. Okay, so from there, naintindihan ko, ay kaya pala maraming taong hindi nagiging successful because they are running away dun sa ingredient na makakatulong para mabuo ka for you to be successful. Alright, so paano ka magiging successful kung hindi ka buo? Kumbaga sa pagkain, kung ulam ka na niluluto, let's say kaldereta, ano bang nilalagay dyan? Okay, ang kaldereta nilalagyan ng mga tomato sauce, no? Kung tama ko. Kung tama man ako, so hindi ka magiging kaldereta kung tinatakbahan mo yung tomato sauce. Alright, para makabuo ng sarsa. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, na hindi po ako nagluluto. Alright, but what I'm trying to say here is, if you will keep on running away from that very important ingredient para mabuo ka as a successful person, believe me, you will not be successful. Alright? So kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, I'm sure, no? Because napakaraming mga opportunities out there. And, okay, ang ganda ng pagka-present sa'yo, very promising, then, sige, nag-pray ka, humingi ka ng direction, then sumagot, oo nga, sige nga, go. Sabi ng Diyos, okay, sabi sa prayer ko, go, humingi ka ng budget, wala kang pera, then, may nagbigay sa'yo, yes, go, ito na nga. Pumayag ang Diyos. Okay, I'm talking to those who believe that there's a God, no? Alright, then, day 1, yes, day 2, day 3, day 4, 1 week, 2 weeks, wala nangyayari. Walang gusto pong sumama, walang gustong bumili. Ano ito, Lord? Saan mo ako dinala? I failed again. Alright? Ngayon, kung naintindihan mo kung para sa inyo, sabi mo, yes! Yes, I'm failing! Yes, I failed! Woo! Come on! Failure! Come on, failure! Come to Mama! More failure! More failure! Believe me. Because through those failures, yun ang bubuo sa'yo. And you'll be a very, very successful person. Alright? Why? Okay, sabihin ko sa'yo totoo, ha? Why do you need the failures? Why do you need those hardships? Why do you need those test challenges? Because you need to share your story to the next generation. Okay, ulitin ko. Because you need to share your story to the next generation. Alright? Katulad ko. I'm now sharing my story. Sabi ko kanina, I was a total failure from my personal life, from my first marriage, work, job, business, lahat. Pero because of that, I became successful. And now, I have a story to tell. Ito po yung ginagawa ko. So, the people following me who will experience the same will continue to rise up, will continue to walk, will continue to do things that they want to do because they understood that failure is a part of success. Alright? So sana po naintindihan mo. Alright? If you're experiencing failure right now, if you're experiencing something na parang, oh my gosh, bakit ganon? Akala ko, kikita ko ng in 1 month, walang nangyari. Ngayon, magbabayad na naman ako, wala pa rin nangyari. Baka wala na naman mangyari. Paano on the 3rd month, baka wala mangyari. Guys, if you're experiencing failure, it means you're being built up to be tough, your character is being developed, right, and you're being prepared for that massive success that you have been praying for. I hope I'm making sense. Kung hindi kayo maniwala sa akin, try researching the lives of the most successful people. And makikita mo, it is through failure that they became successful. O, isa na lang po. I'll just give you one. Okay, bago matapos. Isang-isa lang. Isang tao na ang kanyang success pinadaan sa failure. Hulaan nyo kung sino. Isang tao. Okay? Lumakad dito sa mundo. Ang kanyang success, para siya maging successful, kailangan siyang patayin. Ang pagkamatay sa cross ay tinuturing na failure. Pinarusahan ka, pinaratangan ka ng napakasamang kasalanan na hindi niya naman deserve. It is a failure to see a person dying on the cross. Because of the failure, He rose up again after 3 days. And now, He's seated at the right hand of our Father. He is our Lord Jesus Christ. Yun na lang, tingnan mo. Bakit kailangan dun siya dumaan? Diyos siya. Pwede namang lumabas na lang siya sa langit. Kasama ang bilyong-bilyong mga anghel. Pwede. Bakit kailangan yurakan ng pagkatao niya? Tapak-tapakan, sampal-sampalin, dura-duraan, patayin na parang isang kriminal. Yun na lang. Isipin mo kung tama itong prinsipyong pinapakita ko sa iyo ngayon. Na ang success manggagaling doon sa sitwasyon na parang failure. Alright? I hope I made sense. Success can only happen if you embrace failure na nangyayari sa buhay mo and treat it as an integral part of the development process. Alright, so maraming salamat po. I'll see you again on the next video. Again, si Kiko Javier from Street Wisdom. God bless you.